Hi my friends, Merry Christmas to all of you. Today's look is one of my all-time favorites. Actually, it is not one of my all-time favorites. It is my all-time favorite look, period. Plum and gold. Today I'm not going to reveal the product names. I'm not going to go to the description box and write about all the products because you already know about my staple products. These are the shades that I'm going to wear today. Stunning eye look. This is the combination I started my makeup with. I still love it and I think I will always love it. Pretty common yet special. Find the shades in your makeup collection. I'm sure you have plum shades and gold shades in your own makeup collection. So dig up and find those shades for you. It reminds me of my early days when I started my YouTube channel. I never used to mention the product names because I wanted to encourage all of you to dig up your own makeup collection, find the similar kind of shades and be playful with the shades. After my friends started asking about the products, I started mentioning those products in the description box and I am pretty okay with that. It takes a little bit of effort, but still I am pretty okay with that. I'm pretty fine with that, but I still encourage you to make use of the products that are your favorite. This is my favorite color combo and I was saving this for the Christmas Eve and there you go. I have 4 colors here. A mid-tone plummy kind of shade, a matte plum, a shimmery plum and the gold. And these are the 4 colors that can create a lot of looks. Today I'm going to share my way of playing with these colors and I am sure you will like it. Let's do that. Starting with the matte plum, the rich dark matte plum all over my lid. It is quite simple, absolutely stunning, and if you are just starting with the eye looks, your makeup looks, I think you should definitely give it a try because it is very quick, easy, effective, stunning and gorgeous look. Reminds me of my early days of makeup. There you go, all over my lid, that rich and dark plum shade. I still feel that we all have similar kind of shades in our makeup collection and we can create different looks because we all have our own special way to create something beautiful with the colors. All over my lid, little bit on my crease, and mostly I'm focusing on my lid part because I really want that deep dark plum richness on my lids. There you go. Now I'm going to go for my gold, placing it all over my lid. The gold touch on my rich plum and you will see how stunning this looks. I love to pair this look with my blue red. So if you want to go for this look, pair it up with your favorite shade of red. This is pretty awesome, gorgeous, lovely. Dust it off a little bit with your fluffy brush and now I'm going to go for my mid-tone shade, which I think you can hardly see because it is pretty close shade of my skin tone. Going towards my crease with that shade and mostly on my transition, on my brow bones too. Just 4 shades, my friends. This is a perfect quad for me, for all the makeup lovers who really want a very simple yet gorgeous look, who are just getting started with makeup, eyeshadows. I think you will enjoy it very much. Just a little something on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to jump into the shimmery plum. Outer corners with that shimmery plum. That's it. My liners, mascara, and then I will join you. Alright my friends, my liner work and my mascara work is done, and now I'm going to do little something extra with my 4 shades. Yeah, I'm starting with a shimmery plum. This is my brow brush, so any angle brush can do this. Focusing on the outer corners, a little bit of that rich plum towards the inner corner and the midsection of the lower lash line. Okay, and with my ring finger, gold, a little bit beyond my innermost corners of the eye area. Well, that's it. And if you want, on my brow bones, just to add a little something extra there. So all the 4 shades covered, and now you can pair this look with your favorite shade of red. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Merry Christmas to all of you, happy holidays, and you know what, fresh snow makes it even more special, isn't it? Bye for now, have fun, come back soon to Soma's Makeup Diary because there are plenty of looks that I need to cover this 2018 yet. Bye.